Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to crypto. First, ensure both your PayPal and crypto.com accounts are fully verified and in good standing. This foundational step is crucial for successful transactions and helps prevent any delays or complications during the transfer process. We will focus on directly linking PayPal as a convenient fiat deposit method, allowing you to easily fund your crypto.com account within the application. Before initiating any transfers, it is essential to prepare your accounts properly. Confirm that your crypto.com account has passed all necessary Know Your Customer or KYC verification steps. Likewise, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified, often requiring a linked bank account or card. Having sufficient funds in PayPal is also key for a seamless deposit into crypto.com. Now, let us begin the process within your crypto.com application. First, open the app and find the Accounts tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Fiat Wallet and then tap Transfer, followed by Deposit. You will then choose your preferred fiat currency, like US dollars, and select PayPal from the list of available deposit options. Upon selecting PayPal as your deposit method, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal login page. Here, you will enter your PayPal email address and password to log in. Following a successful login, you must authorize crypto.com to link with your PayPal account and access your funds for future deposits. Confirming these details within PayPal completes the secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.